Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. On Monday the 9th of December, let's have a look at cable, which continues higher this morning. It's interesting because we had that dollar move on Friday where you had the strengthening on the back of the payrolls report. Doesn't seem to have had any real traction across the majors really. And what we've seen this morning is once again the sterling rally that we've seen in the last week or so regaining initiative. This is the last week, and I say the last week, you're actually only 4 days out now from the election for the UK, and the polls are not tightening to the degree that which it could be an especially close result. I mean, the polls tend to get them that there is a margin of error, maybe around 4% apparently on polling. So the polls could well be tighter than they suggest they are at the moment. However, markets are still taking a view that the Conservatives are going to be getting a majority and subsequently being able to push forward with their Brexit agenda to get the process out of Parliament and hopefully getting some sort of traction to end the purgatory that we are in at the moment. But I think what we're seeing is traders taking on that view where sterling would be rising in the event of a Conservative Party victory. So, and we're seeing that again today. Now, 31.75, if I zoom out here, we can see that to be the May high, resistance from May. Interesting that that has come in the last 2 or 3 sessions really as the resistance. 31.80 was the resistance today, but the basis around there. Slipping a touch back from that, but to be honest, I think a closing breakout above 31.75 really does continue the move higher. Now, we've got this range that we had been building through the election campaign that the market have now taken a view against this with the Conservative Party seemingly on course for victory. So you could measure that range, and that's about 250 pips of range, and you project that higher from 130.10, and that actually gives you 132.60 as an upside projection target of that breakout. So that is a potential target coming forward on cable. But certainly weakness seems to be continuing to be bought into. You've got 31 figure as a basis of support from Friday's low. And it certainly looks as though the market is sort of looking to push forward again. So weakness is a chance to buy, and it looks as though that the momentum is still behind a cable rally. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinar.